Welcome to HaulierMagic. Here we will demonstrate the tariff or price list functionality. HaulierMagic will be able to auto-calculate price lists between two or multiple locations based on the configuration set up for each client. Price lists can be calculated on orders based on postcodes, location points, mileage between the collection and delivery point for different amounts of goods or vehicles used. It can also be calculated on a run based on multi-drop and total mileage. To create a postcode or location-based price list, you will first need to create a scale and define a zone map. A zone map contains zones, which can either contain postcode areas or location points. You can name the zone and add as many postcode areas or locations to it. You can choose between all the existing postcodes in the UK and location points created in the ERP. With the help of zones, we will be able to determine the different prices between different location points. We can create a scale for different parameters of the goods being carried on the order. It can be configured by minimum limits, maximum limits excluding value, and maximum limits including value for the values of the scale you add. Here is a diagram with an example value of 10 to visualize. Once a scale and zone map are defined, you can configure a price list based on your requirements. Add a version name and a start date for the price lists. If in the future you would like to change the prices, you will have to create a new version for the price list. The end date should be filled before the start of a new version. As you add a new tariff table, you can add as many tables as you require using different configurations. If you choose a collection, the left part will be the configurations for your collection point and the right would be the parameters for your delivery and vice versa. You can define prices across different zones and different scales. You can also define prices for extras for different scale values. Price lists can be assigned to organizations under the Tariff Management option in the Organization settings. You can add a price list just for the organization or for the numerous business types of the organization. Once added, the price lists will auto-calculate prices for the organization based on the provided parameters on the order. If the parameters of the order do not match the price list, it will display, "There are no rates linked to this customer." Key components to make sure the parameters match are: price list is assigned to the organization if per client, business type if per business type, service level, goods type and vehicle type match the tariff table if it has been provided. The count of the goods should fall within the scale values. Collection or delivery points on the order fall under the zone maps provided on the tariff table. As we see here, changing the locations with different postcodes change the price as well, and same goes for the number of goods. In the next video, we will talk about mileage-based and run-based price lists.